Hey folks, you see this time again in anime comic style. I intended to start that in the Blender game engine, but I didn't. Maybe next time. I am totally convinced with this style. Of course, the colors are matched not yet completely, but I'm on a good way. Anyway, in the near future, I have to see how I can save performance. Otherwise, we have the same structure here, like in the video before. Here in the landing zone area is also a air device. We need later a huge air changer for the aircraft input pipe. The transporter here includes the people feature set. The merchandise connection isn't here. Now let's enter the door. Super important is the motivation picture on this side, the investigation tools, and maybe it's too low poly. Besides the registration is the door to the medical storage and shuffle devices. On the other side, more storage space. These pipes are on this manner not yet ready for the texture, because the connection to the upper levels isn't finished. And thanks for the hint, we haven't something to wash our hands. Comments and tips are every time welcome. Write below in the comment section if you have suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe for support me. Then thanks so much for watching and make sure you have a great day.